I'm treating Annika with a really nice restaurant. It's Sunday, and we're gonna have a Sunday dinner on the Rainbow Drive-In. Popular place with local food, so we're gonna try that for the first time. And Annika is excited about this fancy place.
Yes. Där finns det.
Hopefully she's happy afterwards too. Macaroni salad, and here is the main course. This is supposed to be for one person. I would say that this is for 2 persons.
Gott.
This was good. This was really good. Annika's actually happy. It costs us $13.35 US to have one of those curry stew with extra macaroni on the side. And I would say we took actually only one dish, and that's enough for 2 people. Even for 3 people. The guys behind us actually had 2 kids with them. He took one of these bowls, one of these dishes, and the same size of macaroni bowl, and that was enough. So you can feed the whole family for $13. I can tell you what you get on Waikiki beach for $13. Not much. Så vad tyckte du om det där då?
Ja, det var curry först blir jag lite sådär fundersam, men den här curryn var mild och god och det var jättegott. Och som sagt var, en portion delade vi på och det blev ändå över. Ja.
Så vi fick en doggybag med oss hem med makaronsallad, vilket är jättegott. Så är det. Wonder if Annika sees this, if she want to visit it or not. Maybe she wants to visit it. It's a cat cafe. Cool. And if it looks like I'm sweating, it is because I am sweating, and it's hot.
Yes.
It's really hot today. Some 30 degrees Celsius, and yeah, you don't need to freeze anyway. That's good. Kind of good reminder that you are, yeah, maybe you can't fly, or if you fly, it's a one-way trip, and that's not a good thing. And if you feel like it, you can get a free blood pressure test here to see if you're alive or dead. This is the Eva Hotel in Waikiki. It's an old lady, but she's still going strong, I think. Pretty good. They have washing machines for clothes on 4th and 6th floor. You can wash and dry your stuff, and they clean every day. They don't do the dishes, but they clean every day, and they're really good at it. So recommend it. It's a bit aging, but you know, if you can stand that, it's in a really good place, almost right by Waikiki beach.
And you got coffee and shower cream and everything every day. Yes, that's good.
That's really good. Here is our little hotel room. It's small. It's a bit dated, but you have everything you need for staying here a long time. Kitchenette, stove, some cutlery, and then some other stuff. Water, of course, a small little fridge, TV, a big safe. The view is not much to brag about, but it's a view. We actually have sea view when we go up to the top. The safe can actually keep a 15-inch laptop and more, so that's good. Sorry. And there's the Honolulu Zoo. And why not end with a little film from the beach? Not the beach, but a beach.
Yes, very nice.
Ooh,